So let's talk about Black history. We're still discovering who we are like it was a mystery. We had identity before the ship's delivery, carrying the weight of the world on our backs until they got blistery. Hundreds of years later, we're still finding liberty. We won't stop until we obtain the victory. Thankful for those who opened the door for us like chivalry. We descended from kings and queens. We ascended to accomplish our dreams, still echoing the voice of Dr. King until we see justice roll down like a stream. Check our history and you'll see a theme of people who persevered through racist extremes, and we still rose to the top, kind of like cream. I hope you get the picture like a meme. Our history can't be squeezed in just 4 weeks, but I'm glad Carter G. Woodson wanted to give the world a peek to show everyone our culture is unique. If you haven't studied Black history, you in for a treat. Join the list of people who shook the world with their speech. But I'ma fall back. It's not my time to preach. Now it's your turn. Lift your voice and speak.